Climafi air conditioner review. Scam or legit? If you're shopping for a new air conditioner, you might have seen Climafi claiming high performance at an unbeatable price. But is it legit or a scam? Let's find out. Climafi AC units promise energy-efficient cooling with smart temperature control. Most people get this wrong. They assume any AC marketed online is a scam, but Climafi actually uses proven compressor technology and adjustable fan speeds. You won't believe what happens next. Customer reviews show that, when delivered on time, the units cool spaces quickly and maintain consistent temperature without major noise issues. Installation is fairly simple for the average homeowner. Units are compact, support multiple cooling modes, and include remote controls for convenience. Energy consumption is advertised as lower than traditional ACs, which can save a few $100s a year on electricity for mid-sized rooms. The main concerns are shipping delays and aggressive online marketing. Some customers report long wait times or difficulty reaching support. Prices are competitive, which makes it tempting, but verify warranty coverage before purchase. So, is Climafi a scam? No, the product itself performs as advertised, but buyer vigilance is essential to avoid logistical frustrations. The surprising truth is that Climafi can be a legitimate, affordable cooling solution, but only if you do your homework on delivery, warranty and installation requirements. For homeowners willing to research, it's a viable option.